Why do over 50% of people think you need Wi-Fi to mirror your phone? Spoiler, you don't. Here's how to go wireless, even when your Wi-Fi's out. Ready to see your favorite videos on the big screen, but your Wi-Fi's down or just plain missing? No worries, friend. First method, turn your phone into a mini Wi-Fi station using mobile hotspot. Just switch on your hotspot, connect your TV to it, and use your phone's built-in screen mirroring, or a handy app like AirDroid. No hotspot? Grab a cable. If your phone and TV have the right ports, connect them with an MHL, micro HDMI, or USB-C to HDMI adapter. Then, just switch your TV to the right HDMI input. Got Miracast? If both your phone and TV support it, enable screen mirroring on both. Pick your TV from the list. Boom, you're set. Check your gadgets for compatibility, and remember, Bluetooth alone won't cut it for screen mirroring. You've got this. Watching your phone on TV without Wi-Fi is totally doable, even in